Greetings everyone. Today I place to you to talk about the King of Botswana. The King of Botswana, which is Seretse, and his wife, which is Ruth Williams. Seretse of Botswana is the king of Botswana and the owner of Botswana land. I remember his words when he says, "A man is not free if he's not master of his own things." As long as we are under leadership of other people, but not leadership of ourselves, then we are not master of our own things. But master of our own things is when we create our own things in our own land. We really appreciate His Majesty. We really adore his decision and making at that times. Now Botswana land is a country of his own, is a country of its own, and Botswana are of their